Hey guys, welcome back to Our Texas Homestead. Today we're going to do some cinnamon rolls. Saw a recipe, I saw somebody make something, so we're going to recreate it. Make sure the more people see it and get to try it. So we're going to take some cinnamon rolls. Just your normal Pillsbury flaky cinnamon rolls. Going to roll them out. Okay. Then take some Toll House chocolate chip lovers. That's what we got. Set it on top. Don't lose all your cinnamon. And roll them out. Okay. So we'll make it all even between them. And don't worry about getting a little bit on the rolling pin, because that's your little snack that you get beforehand. Most people like the what do you call it? Cookie dough. I know I'm a big cookie dough, like raw cookie dough person, so to each their own. Okay. Pretty easy. Okay. Now, here's the fun part, the trick. It's rolling it back up very, very tightly. As tightly as you can do it. I mean, you know how tight it comes out of the package. And all you're trying to do is, excuse me, even up the dough of the cinnamon buns to the cookie dough. They already have cut lines on here from the cinnamon rolls. Just kind of follow those. So you're getting some kind of uniformity out of it. All right. Sorry. And that's what you're going to have. Now you're going to put these in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes. Don't they look good already? I showed this to one of my kiddos, and it was an immediate yes to can we do that tonight? So take a little bit of that extra cinnamon, share it with them. Okay, 350 for 20 minutes, and your little icing pouch, don't forget it, warm it up a little bit so that way it actually pours out. We'll see you back after they bake. All right, they just came out of the oven, as you can see. You can see where I dabbled the cinnamon on top of them. But I took the icing, warmed it up for about 10 seconds. Should have stirred it. I think I'm going on. Sorry, I'm not good at the drizzle all over deal. I'm more into bulk coverage. And yes, these just came out of the oven. They are still super hot, as you can tell. No, sir. And yes, I have kids in the background waiting to get in here. But you can see, nice, moist, hot. Feel better? Really good. Highly recommend it. Super easy to do. You got maybe like 25 minutes, including cook time. So the hardest part of it is going to the store. So highly recommend them. Try you some, and we'll see you next time on Our Texas Homestead.